viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain verbs used transitively, intransitively. It is not reasonable to classify a verb transitive or intransitive. In this video, we will get the detailed explanation. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umaran Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. You have seen action word somewhere takes object and somewhere doesn't. What's the difference between it? Okay, you will get it. That means when it takes object, the verb is called transitive, and when it doesn't take object, that verb is called intransitive. That means it is not reasonable to say a verb is transitive or intransitive. Which takes object, that verb used transitively, which doesn't take object, that verb used intransitively. Right? Let's get started. He speaks the truth. Speaks verb. He speaks slowly. Here, speaks. In both sentences, the same verb used. But in first sentence, he speaks the truth. Speaks something. When speaks followed by one noun or noun phrase, right? That is the verb used transitively. And it answers question what? Speaks what? The truth, right? So here speaks used transitively. He speaks slowly. He speaks how? It is one adverb, right? He speaks slowly. Speaks how? Slowly. Here the verb used intransitively. The students rang the bell. Students rang here for rang how? Rang what? The bell. Right? Answer comes rang what? The bell. Rang something. Okay? When it answers question what? That verb used transitively. The bell rang loudly. Rang how? Loudly. Answers question how. So here verb is used intransitively. He flies kites. Flies what? Kites. Right? So flies here used transitively. A bird flies in the sky. Bird flies where? In the sky. Where? Answers question where. So flies used here intransitively. She want her hand. Want is the verb. Want what? Her hand. Right? So it is used transitively. She want with guilty. She want with guilty. Want how? With guilty. Okay? So want used intransitively. He stops the car. The car stops here. He stops the car. Stops what? The car. So stops used transitively. The car stops here. Stops where? Here. So stops used intransitively. She broke a bottle. Broke what? A bottle. Broke used transitively. My watch broke last week. Broke when? Last week. Answers question when. So broke used intransitively. They open all the gates. Open what? All the gates. So open used here transitively. The office opens at 10 o'clock. Opens when? At 10 o'clock. So opens used here intransitively. What you get? The same verb used transitively, used intransitively. So we cannot say a verb, especially you cannot say this verb is transitive. The verb is intransitive, right? So this exact verb used transitively, used intransitively. Here is the list of some action words. Speak, ring, fly, warn, kill, lay, lie, break, open, stop, go, come, die, fall, sleep. More action words are there. Out of those, lie, go, come, die, fall, sleep. They are used as intransitively. Always these verbs used intransitively.